Mother used to say, if you want to find a way. A mother never danced to find showers.